Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'll tell you about screen mirroring in Windows 10. Let's dive in. Windows 10 has the ability to mirror your screen to any dongle or device, streaming box TV, compatible with the popular Miracast standard since its launch in 2015. Microsoft's OS now lets your PC become the wireless display, receiving Miracast signals from a smartphone, tablet, or other Windows laptops or desktops. If you have a small Windows 10-powered laptop hooked up to your TV, it can now double as a wireless display dongle for your phone or laptop. When you're mirroring from a Windows 10 laptop, you can extend rather than duplicate the screen so you can, for example, stream a movie on the receiving display while you send emails on the primary one. Just imagine taking a tablet, propping it up next to your laptop, and using it as a second monitor on the road. I'll also tell about its benefits at the end, so stay tuned. How to turn your PC into a wireless display. Here's how to turn your Windows 10 machine into a wireless display. While most modern devices with Wi-Fi have the ability to send out a Miracast signal, compatibility is spotty at best. Sometimes you have to try casting your screen 3 or 4 times before the process works. So be patient. If you accidentally rotated your screen while attempting to extend your display, we have a quick fix for that. Open the Action Center. It's represented by the speech bubble icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Click Connect. Click Projecting to this PC. A settings window will appear. Here, select Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks from the top pull-down menu. Select First Time Only or Every time a connection is requested under Ask to Project to this PC. I recommend picking First Time Only, unless you're really worried that some rogue thief is going to grab your phone and project to your computer without your permission. I also recommend leaving Require PIN for pairing off, since you have to grant permission on the receiving computer anyway. You can also decide whether you want your PC to receive projection requests only when it's plugged in. Click Yes when Windows 10 alerts you that another device wants to project to your computer. The Windows Connect app will launch in its own window. You can drag, resize, or maximize the window. We found that videos played smoothly in a connection between a Surface Pro 4 and a ThinkPad T440s. Also, if the sending device is a Windows 10 PC and allows it, you can use the keyboard and mouse on the receiving computer to remotely control the sender. How to mirror your Windows 10 screen to another Windows 10 device. Here's how to broadcast your screen from the sending device if it's a Windows 10 computer. Android devices have different wireless display menus. Open the Action Center in the bottom right corner. Click Connect. A list of available receiving devices appears, and your other computer should be on it. Select the receiving device. You may have to wait a minute or longer for the devices to pair. If the connection fails, you'll need to try again. Toggle. Allow input to on if you want to let the receiving device control your PC with its keyboard and mouse. Click Change Projection Mode and select Extend from the menu that appears if you want to use the wireless display as a second desktop rather than a mirror of your current desktop. Click Disconnect when you want to terminate your connection. Benefits of turning your PC into a wireless display. Now let's talk about the benefits of turning your PC into a wireless display. Increased productivity. Easily extend or mirror screens for multitasking, making it perfect for presentations or working with multiple applications. Gaming and entertainment. Stream games or videos from your phone or another PC to your primary PC screen, enhancing your viewing experience. Convenience. No need for extra cables or hardware. Just use your existing devices and network. Collaboration. Great for collaborative work in meetings or group projects, allowing multiple people to share their screens wirelessly. How to mirror your Android display on a Windows computer. On your Android device, swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel and look for Screencast, Link to Windows, Wireless Display, or a similar option. The name may vary depending on your device manufacturer. The first screen will ask you to link your phone and PC. Tap the blue button to proceed. You'll need to give the app access to your camera so it can scan a QR code to pair your two devices. Tap Continue, and then grant it permission. On your computer, open a web browser such as Google Chrome and go to www.aka.ms link phone. The browser will ask you to open the Your Phone app on your PC. A QR code will be generated in the Your Phone Windows app. Scan the code with your Samsung phone to link the devices. Lastly, the Windows app will say, "You're linked," and you can tap Let's Go to finish the process. A window will open with a live view of your phone screen. Use your mouse cursor to interact with it as you normally would. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.